Galaxy Buds 3 Pro review. Hello, dear friends. We are going to take a detailed look at Samsung's newest and most advanced wireless headphone model, the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. This great headset stands out with both sound performance and comfort. Does it really meet expectations with its smart features? Before we start our video, I would like to make a small request. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Your support is a source of strength for us on this journey. Every like and every new subscriber inspires us to produce better content and reach you more. Let's grow this community together and meet in many more beautiful videos. Thank you all in advance. Design and ergonomics. Let's talk about the design first. Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro has a minimalist and modern design. Thanks to the ergonomic structure of the headphones, it offers a comfortable experience even during prolonged use. Weighing only 10.8 grams, the earbuds fit snugly in the ear and do not slip out of place even while playing sports. Moreover, with IPX7 water resistance certification, they can be used in rainy weather or during intense workouts. The charging case weighs 46.5 grams and is very compact. The LED illumination on the case allows you to easily monitor the charging status. The silver and white color options appeal to all tastes and look very aesthetically pleasing. Sound performance. Let's get to the most important point, sound performance. Galaxy Buds 3 Pro is equipped with 10.5mm dynamic drivers. These drivers deliver impressive sound quality with deep bass and clear highs. In addition, the AI-powered active noise cancellation (ANC) feature minimizes external noises, allowing you to focus completely on the music. The high-resolution audio support, high-res, and 24-bit, 96 kHz audio experience is truly impressive. In particular, the spatial audio feature provides a movie-like listening experience. You are my inspiration, please join my channel. Connectivity and features. On the connectivity side, it uses Bluetooth 5.4 technology. This provides a fast and stable connection. Touch sensors make it easy to control music and calls. Fast automatic device switching allows you to seamlessly connect multiple devices at the same time. For example, if you're listening to music on your phone and receive a call on your computer, you can switch instantly. IPX7 water resistance. Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro has IPX7 water resistance certification. This means the earbuds can withstand 1 meter deep water for 30 minutes. You won't have to worry about rainy days, sweaty workouts or accidental exposure to water. However, note that they are not suitable for underwater sports. This feature makes Galaxy Buds 3 Pro more reliable in everyday use. We are strong with your support. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Usage time. Battery performance is also very satisfactory. While the earbuds offer 7 hours of use on a single charge, this time increases to 30 hours in total with the charging case. In intensive use, it offers an experience of approximately 4.5 hours. Thanks to wireless charging support, charging is also very practical and convenient. Smart features. The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro is packed with smart features. Thanks to Google Assistant, Siri and Bixby support, you can manage your headphones with voice commands. In addition, advanced sensors such as motion sensor, bone conduction voice pickup sensor, VPU, take your music experience and phone calls to the next level. I'm here for you, don't forget to join my channel. Price and bottom line. The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro is currently priced at around $209.99 in the US. However, prices may vary by store and model version. I recommend checking the most up-to-date prices directly with retailers or official stores. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro exceeds expectations in terms of both technology and design. If you're looking for high sound quality, powerful ANC and smart features, this is the headset for you. I can easily say that it's one of the best wireless earbuds I've ever used. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Your support gives us the strength and motivation to produce more content. You can also be a part of this beautiful community by sharing your thoughts in the comments. Every like, every subscriber makes us feel that you are with us on this journey. Hope to see you again in the next video. Take care and goodbye.